Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be taking a look at how to play Sloop John B, which was actually covered by the Beach Boys, and how to play it on a diatonic harmonica. In this tutorial we'll be using bends. Now don't worry if you don't know how to use bends. I've included some links to some awesome bending tutorials in the description below. Here's what Sloop John B looks like when it's written down in the key of C, and here is how it sounds. So let's take a close look at phrase 1. Blow into 3. Blow into 5 4 times. Breathe in through 5. And blow into 5. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, blow into 5 4 times. Breathe in through 5. And blow into 5. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, blow into 5 twice. Breathe in through 5. Blow into 6 twice. Breathe in through 5. Blow into 5. And breathe in through 4. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 4, blow into 3. Breathe in through 3 and bend the note to produce A. Breathe in through 3 to produce B. Blow into 4 4 times. Breathe in through 4. Blow into 5. And breathe in through 5. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 5, breathe in through 5. Blow into 5 3 times. And blow into 4. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 6, breathe in through 4 twice. Blow into 4. Breathe in through 3. And blow into 4. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. And remember, if you're the kind of person who prefers learning the harmonica using tabs, then check out my tabs page. There's a link in the description below. And until next time, stay tuned. Hi guys, just wanted to say a big thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget I've got a store on Amazon. There's a link in the description below. If you're looking for a new instrument, that would be a good place to start. Also, I've got links in the description to lots of other things like my Facebook account, my Instagram, my Twitter. I'd love to catch up with you guys there. So until next time, stay tuned.